Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. If this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. Sorry guys, pardon my throat. You guys will believe that I just came back from work. Yes, trying to motivate someone. I just came back from work just like less than 10 minutes, and I went to Lidl to go and get some shopping. So I thought I would show you guys my 54 pound, roughly was 53 pounds some pence. Let's just round it to the nearest figure of 54 pounds. Okay guys, let's dive right into this video. I'll try as much as possible to put all the price in the description section of this video. Okay, the description is down there, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, okay, and then subscribe if you enjoy watching shopping hauls and vlogs and other kind of videos. Just check out all the videos on my channel. I'm sure you will enjoy one or two. Okay guys, let's dive right into this Lidl shopping haul. Okay guys, so let's start from this side. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to try and put all the price on the description section, the total, the exact total of everything. So everything here just on the table here. Okay, so it's not a massive haul, it's just a normal haul. But you guys can see this is the only thing 50 something pounds can buy in Lidl. In those days, 54 pounds would have bought a lot of stuff in Lidl, but this is all you can buy these days. Just here, even the table is not even filled up, it's scanty. Can you guys see that? Anywho, let's start with these. They are chopped tomatoes. So these are chopped tomatoes is 28p for one. So I got 12. I'm sure this is 12. Am I right? That's 8, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 12. Okay, there's 12 in there, 28p for one. And then I got their evaporated milk. I think it's 50 something p for one. So I got 6 of the evaporated milk, Lidl. Everything here is from Lidl, okay? I was surprised to find Calipo in Lidl. Unbelievable. I've never seen it before, but anyway, the Lidl I went to is the one on my way from work. Okay, so I'm actually coming from work this morning. This is morning Saturday. Okay guys, Saturday, what day is this? 30th of July guys. So I'm sure you guys will see this video probably in a day or two from today. Yeah, so I got this Calipo £1.75 or 79 from Lidl. Okay, and then over here I got some lasagna for the children, okay, to eat today, Saturday. I was going to make jollof rice, but as I saw the lasagna, I said, oh, let me not stress myself too much. Let me just make lasagna for them. Okay, you just put it in the oven, peel off the pack, and throw it in the oven for some minutes, and it's ready. So that's lasagna, 2 of them. One is £3.49. So I got 2, so it will be enough for everybody. And then over here, let's go over here. Over here, I like plum, even though I don't show you guys on my shopping haul. For some reasons, when I buy the plums, I normally just go there and just buy plum and strawberry. So I just feel like I can't just do a haul for plum and strawberry. And it's not every time I buy it, okay? But today it happens that I'm buying it with other stuff. So I got plum here. I can't even remember the price. I like plum, as I said. Yeah. And then I got strawberry. The strawberry, I think they're £1.70 something. This is the red grape, red seedless grape. Grape, not strawberries. These are grapes, not strawberry, guys, sorry. And these are plums, okay? So 1 of each. And then over here we have some eggs, okay, just 1 box. Over here we have their sanitary pad. I bought 2 of them. It's quite good, that's why I like buying them, and they're cheap. And also I bought their orangey 80. You can see it look like Fanta, okay? And then I bought some green top milk here, 2 of them. Okay, and then over here we have some peanut butter. And then over here we have some hand wash. I bought 2 hand wash. And then I got this summer fruit drink, which they also say in Aldi is also £1.9p. This one. And then I bought some bubble baths. There's 2 of them. Also we have some spray for the boys. I have 2 sprays there. Okay, and then coming over here I got some ice cube. Okay, and then down here we have some cooked ham for sandwich. I bought 2, and then some cheddar slice. I bought 2, and then I got this white chocolate and lemon cookie, just 1 of this one. I got 3 rich tea biscuits. Okay guys, and then over here I got some shortbread biscuits. I got 3 of them. That's everything is Lidl. That's how Lidl package their own. I kind of like how Lidl package their own compared to Aldi. This one, Lidl own, the packaging seems more firm, more pretty, more presentable, my own opinion. So I bought 3 of it. Okay, and then over here we have some sugar. I got 2 of this sugar. Okay, 2 of them. And then here we have some bagels, plain bagels. I bought 2. And over here we have some brown bread. I bought 3 brown bread. You guys can see them already. And then I got 2 micro, French micro. Okay, and then down here I got some croissants, 4 from their bakery section. I got 4 croissants. And then this is like it's like as if it's a bread. In the front of it, it has like goat cheese and tomato. That's what it has in front of it. So I got 2 of that. Yeah guys, I think that's all in this shopping. It's just a little Lidl grocery shopping. So my big monthly shopping haul is coming up soon, but you guys will see this one first before that video, because I'm trying to edit that video. Okay, it's a long video, so I'm trying to see how to make it a bit shorter. Yeah guys, so this is everything that I got from Lidl today, 30th of July, Saturday. So I hope you guys enjoy watching it. I do hope I'm able to put the price in the description section if I did not replace my receipt, guys. Okay, that's all there is. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you all, love you all, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.